Market is tumbling again with the news of a weak jobs report. And thanks for joining us at 4. I'm Connie Leonard. The Dow Jones fell 700 points in the first hour of trading. And President Trump's new tariffs are adding to the economic uncertainty. ABC's Perry Russell is in Washington.
President Trump today firing the commissioner of the Bureau of Labor Statistics after the release of a weak jobs report. 73,000 jobs added in June. That number worse than expected, showing a major hiring slowdown in recent months. Trump pointing to the fact the commissioner, Erica McEnteffer, was appointed by former President Biden. She was overwhelmingly approved in the Senate. Trump, without evidence, accusing McEnteffer of faking statistics. There was also a major revision today to the jobs report from May and June. Government numbers show 258,000 fewer jobs were created than previously reported.
The revisions were obviously they're not what we want to see.
The stock market dropping today. Senate Minority Leader Chuck Schumer slamming Trump's economic policies.
It is disturbing to say, but the chickens are coming home to roost on Donald Trump's destructive trade war, and the American people are paying the price.
It comes on tariff deadline day for countries to make a deal with the United States. Trump signing a new executive order raising tariffs on nearly 70 countries. The tariffs go into effect next Thursday. All countries now face a tariff of at least 10%.
We expect things to get materially stronger from here now that our policies are starting to sort into place.
Outrage last night at a town hall for Republican Congressman Brian Stile.
I am going to be totally opposed to these tariffs, period.
The congressman booed and heckled for his support of Trump's tariffs.
How do we get other countries to treat the United States fairly so our farmers can act?
Perry Russell, ABC News, Washington.
Earlier, President Trump once again attacked Fed Chair Jerome Powell for not lowering interest rates. The president called Powell a moron and said the Fed's board should assume control.